All right, guys, so thank you very much. So in the other lesson, I showed you how you can download an e-commerce theme right onto a system. So in this lesson, I want to teach you how you can upload the e-commerce theme right onto our blog, because by default, look at our blog, it's not looking like an e-commerce platform. It's not even beautiful because of the theme. It's not so okay, but the other previous theme I showed you in the other lesson is looking great, and we've downloaded the theme, so we want to upload the theme right onto our blog. So the first thing to notice, after downloading the theme, you need to extract the theme. To extract the theme, you need to just right click on it and click on extract all. So all we need to upload is just the XML document. So that is why we need to extract the theme and get the XML document. So to upload the theme, we need to just come here and click on theme, and it's gonna bring us to this dashboard, and we just click on this arrow and click on restore. Now it's gonna ask us what do we want to do. We say we want to upload a new theme, so click on upload. So it's gonna bring us here and ask us to choose from our computer. So we just locate the theme we just downloaded, that is the XML document of the theme we just downloaded. So I'll quickly look for the theme right now, and I'll quickly look for the theme right now and upload it. So guys, this is the theme and this is the XML document. So like I said earlier on, you want to make sure you're uploading the XML document. So I click on it. So right now it's been uploading, and the theme is being uploaded. So look at how the theme, the former, the previous one we're using, look like. So let me refresh this page and let's see how it's gonna look like now. So I refresh the page, and it's loading up, right? And this is how it looks like now. So you can see we now have a fully functional e-commerce template to use for our website. And guys, all we have to do right now is just to upload products and customize this theme to look exactly what we want it to be. And I'm glad you're following me right up to this level, to this course, and I'm sure you're getting great value from it. So I'm glad you're here. So as you can see, we now have the full functional theme on our blog. All we need to do now is to edit every single part of this theme and start adding our own products, so that our e-commerce platform or store will go live as soon as possible. Well, I'm happy, I don't know for you, and I'm sure you're happy too. So I'm happy with you already. So on this theme, as you can see, it has all the features we see in the demo. So don't worry, I'm going to show you how to customize every single part of it. Add a logo to your social media handle, to your own collections and your goods, to adding products, and every single part of it, even to this footer, your payment gateway. I'll show you how to edit every single part of it. So make sure to watch the next lessons, and I'm glad you're here, and I'm glad you've enjoyed the video and you're getting value from it. So guys, make sure to watch the next lesson. I'll see you then. Thank you very much for watching this one.